Hello student, this is NCERT class 10th math exercise 3.2 question number 5. The question is half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter, then find the dimension of the garden. So let length of the garden is length of garden equals to L and width of the garden equals to B. We have rectangular garden, it is length is L and width is B. So according to question, length is 4 more than width, so L equals to 4 plus B, that is L minus B equals to 4. Again, half of the perimeter is 36, that is again according to question L plus B. Half of the perimeter is 36, that is L plus B equals to 36. Now we have to find the dimension of the garden, that is length and width. So we have to draw the graph to find the solution, that is value of L and B, that is to find L and B, draw the graph for these two relations in L and B. That is, first is L minus B equals to 4, that is points may be taken on this line as for L and B. If L is 0, then B is minus 4. If L is 4, then B is 0. If L is 20, then B is 16. For the second equation, that is L plus B equals to 36. If L equals to 20, then B is 16. If L equals to 18, then B is also 18. Now from table it is clear that the line must intersect at the point 20, 16. The point must intersect at point 20, 16. So first point is 0, minus 4. It may be taken on negative y-axis, that is 0, minus 4. And second point is 4, 0. That is on positive y-axis, that is 4, 0. And 16, 20 may be taken 20, 16. 20, 16 may be taken here. So line can be drawn as this. Again, for the second line, this line must pass through 20, 16 and 18, 18 may be taken here. 18, 18. So from the graph we can say that length of garden is 20 meter and breadth of the garden is 16 meter. That is the answer.